In the previous video, we discussed GnRH-based synchronization protocols such as OVSynch, CoSync, and SelectSync. In this video, we will discuss another important group of estrus synchronization methods called Prostaglandin F2α, or PGF₂α-based protocols. GnRH-based protocols control follicular development and ovulation, while PGF₂α-based protocols work by destroying the corpus luteum in a process called luteolysis. Now let us understand this with a simple example. Suppose we have 4 cows at different stages of the estrus cycle. Cow A is in the early luteal phase with a newly formed corpus luteum. Cow B is in the mid-luteal phase with a fully functional corpus luteum. Cow C is in the late luteal phase where the corpus luteum is already regressing naturally. Cow D is in heat and does not have a functional corpus luteum. If no treatment is given, all these cows will come into heat at different times, making breeding management difficult. PGF₂α helps synchronize these cows by causing regression of the functional corpus luteum. As the corpus luteum regresses, progesterone levels decrease. Once progesterone falls, estrogen starts increasing and the dominant follicle continues to grow. The cow comes into heat, usually within 2 to 5 days after treatment. However, PGF₂α works only when a functional corpus luteum is present. It has little or no effect in cows that are in heat, have no corpus luteum, or have an immature corpus luteum. Now let us discuss the different PGF₂α-based protocols. The first method is the single PGF₂α protocol. On day 0, a single PGF₂α injection is given to all eligible cycling cows. Cows with a functional corpus luteum undergo luteolysis, progesterone declines, estrogen increases, and they return to heat within 2 to 5 days. Cows without a responsive corpus luteum do not respond to the treatment. Heat is observed from day 2 to day 5, and artificial insemination is performed when estrus is detected. Now let us discuss the double PGF₂α protocol. Consider 2 cows at different stages of the estrus cycle. One has a mature, functional corpus luteum, while the other does not have a functional corpus luteum. On day 0, the first PGF₂α injection is given. This causes luteolysis only in cows with a functional corpus luteum. The cow with a mature corpus luteum undergoes luteolysis, comes into estrus within a few days, ovulates, and then forms a new corpus luteum after ovulation. Cows without a functional corpus luteum do not respond to the first injection and simply continue their normal estrus cycle. 11 to 14 days later, the second PGF₂α injection is administered. By this time, the first cow has developed a new mature corpus luteum after its previous ovulation, and the second cow has also naturally reached a stage where it has a functional corpus luteum. Therefore, both cows now possess a responsive corpus luteum, so the second injection induces luteolysis in both animals at the same time. As a result, both cows come into heat at day 13 to 19, and artificial insemination is performed when estrus is detected. Compared with the single injection protocol, this method produces a much tighter synchronization of estrus. In practical field conditions, PGF₂α protocols are simple, economical, and suitable for herds where heat detection is good. However, when heat detection is poor or fixed-time artificial insemination is required, GnRH-based or progesterone-based protocols are generally more reliable. In the next video, we will discuss progesterone-based synchronization using CIDR devices and understand how controlling progesterone directly can improve estrus synchronization, especially in non-cycling cows. Thank you for watching VetCare. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple veterinary lessons.